So if you're bored, stuck inside, here is a good DIY that you can make at home today. So, side note, if you're like, I don't have any material that I would want to make this project out of, what do you mean I can do it at home? Most local craft stores are open, at least here in California a lot of them are open, and I know they're not essential. I know there's going to be a lot of backlash for that, but I have nothing to do with that. I just know that they're open. So they're open for curbside pickup, so you don't even have to go into the store. You can do it just like you do with your takeout food and all of that good stuff, where you just drive up, the worker brings it out to your car, and you go about your day. Okay? Okay. Let's not talk about it anymore, because I don't want to talk about anything going on in the world. I just want to get crafty. So this is a throw pillow cover that I made, and it also has this nice pocket so that you don't have to see the pillow like in a normal cover, how it's like this, and it just looks kind of sloppy. This is made out of snuggle flannel, and this is called, I believe, lion tie-dye. Today we are making a new pillowcase because this one is Christmassy and been on my decorative pillow for way too long. It is March, it's time to move on. When I got this pillow, I knew that it unzipped, which is awesome, so I was able to take the cover off of the pillow. And this side has some nice fur on it, so I was just leaving it flipped this way. But I think it's time for something else. This pillow is from Home Goods, and the pillowcase came with it. And it is by Loving Kindness, and it is such a good quality pillow case and all of that, like the details, everything. None of this is screen patched. It's all embroidered. It's literally so beautiful. So I need to create the reference guide for our new material. So I got this new lion material and I really like it. It's beautiful. But since it's a sizable difference, I've got to size it down. So get out your measuring tape and let's go. This is made out of snuggle flannel, and this is called, I believe, lion tie-dye. The first time around, this project took a lot longer than I anticipated, just for the brainstorming process, trying to figure out how I was going to do this, but now I've got it down and it's pretty simple. So first what you need to do is measure the pillow insert or the original pillowcase that your pillow came with, if it came with one. So cut A is going to be the actual dimensions of your pillow, and cut B is going to be the dimensions of your pillow plus 6 added inches to the length, depending on the variation of pillow that you're using. Once you have your dimensions written down, go ahead and map out your cuts using some fabric and some pens. I had mine folded over but ended up cutting it open into 2 separate pieces anyway, so do as I say, not as I do. Here's an easy way to explain it. So the fabric is laying flat, there's no folded edge whatsoever. So there's a cut A and cut B. Once you've cut these 2 pieces out, you're going to sew them both together. Once you have A and B sewed together, you're going to fold it over on top of each other. Fold over the excess from B's cut onto itself, so now the print's facing up, just like so. Then you're going to sew both sides, and then you're done. All you have to do is flip it inside out, put it on your pillow, and you are good to go.